So let's set up the tent. There is my backpack, my tripod, the camera. And first thing, I'll get some lights because I'll be setting up in the dark. For sure, it's already dark. And here will be my camping spot. Hi! I had to move. The tent was blowing my tent away. They stuck in the back. Was out. I had to put again. That veranda was out twice. Basically gone. The stack over there was out. So now that I had to move, I'll show you the weather, how it is. And the wind is getting stronger. That's the weather outside. I don't think you can see much. Danilo, let's go out. It's touching. I need those. Look at the wall. Wow. It's very painful. The ice hitting the face. Well, now all that I can do is wait and look after the tent. I have to look after the tent, so the tent will look after me. See ya! I was here trying to read my National Geographic and eating some dried apricots. But it's quite difficult. The noise doesn't stop. The movement doesn't stop. The things in here are being thrown away. And the wind is getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Have a look how it's outside. Just a little bit. At least now that the tent is more stable. They expect that not going out anymore. And I had to lock the zips to something for the solution because they weren't opening for anything. Like that one is opening. Have a look. I have to close it. I wouldn't expect nothing like that. Could stay for long, for sure. I have to find another solution. That has been helping me, but doesn't stay for a long time. For long. Oh dear! And now the ice is tougher. Yeah, that will do for a while. Well, I have no option if not keep trying to read my National Geographic. What can I do? See ya. Now I'm in trouble. Have a look. I don't know if you can notice, but the main pole is broken. And it's 5 p.m. I have 1.5 hours of sun. I have to unpack. Actually, I have to pack everything in my backpack. I don't know how. And get to the hut before the sunset. And now it's really cold. Yeah. And if I want to stay here till the storm is gone, as I was planning, I don't think that's a good idea because the tent will not resist. By tomorrow it will be completely gone and I'm inside. So wish me luck. Good, now you can see me. Well, as you all know, the situation is being quite critical. I decided to go outside to solve that problem. Have a look in the snow in the tent. I thought that was just that side, but when I open the front, have a look in the front. The snow is really taking over. So now I'm getting ready already, and I'm going outside, shovel that snow away. Whoa! I know that situation is serious. Good, now you can see me. Well, as you all know, the situation is being quite critical. I decided to go outside to solve that problem. Have a look in the snow in the tent. I thought that was just that side, but when I open the front, have a look in the front. The snow is really taking over. So now I'm getting ready already, and I'm going outside, shovel that snow away. Whoa! Every time I have new surprises. Have a look in my front door. Can you see it? No, you can't see anything. It's full, but really full of snow. See ya.